Happy weekend vlog, everybody. Today we're making salt and pepper chicken wings while talking about our YouTube goals.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Today is my sister's 40th birthday, so for her birthday party, I'm going to be making salt and pepper chicken wings. Looks like this. We will be following Nook Mama's salt and pepper chicken wing recipe. If you don't already follow her, please follow her. She's so funny and she has awesome Vietnamese recipes. I already made this for my family before and my mom and dad approved, so that's why we're making it again. Let's get into it. I'm gonna first tie my hair up. Hair is tied. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Quick caveat, there are no measurements, so please go follow Nook Mama's recipe. We are going by the heart today. So first, shout out to my mom for getting me all this chicken and defrosting it for me this morning. Thank you, Mom. First, we need to get a big bowl that we can mix everything in. I'm making, honestly, it was like a 50 or so pieces, so it's not too much. First, putting the chicken in the bowl. Got a lot of chicken. Now it's time to season our chicken, and again, we're going by the heart, people. First is onion powder. We're just gonna put, honestly, a lot because this is a really big bowl. Next we have garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in here. Again, it looks like a lot, but that's only because we have a huge bowl. Then we're gonna put some black pepper. Right here. And then this is not a part of the recipe, but I'm just gonna do a shot of the mushroom umami from Trader Joe's. I've been adding that to everything lately and it's just so good. Next we have the fish sauce. This is the one that we use. I don't know, it's just always been in my house. My mom always buys it, so this is the one we use. Okay, and then pour. I don't know how much, but just however much you feel. Okay. Now it's time to mix with our hands. Mix. Make sure that all the chicken is coated with seasoning. Okay. High five, everybody. I think we did a really good job at measuring this to our heart's desire. Now I'm just gonna cover this up. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge to marinate for a little bit, and then we'll do our flour coating. Also, in Nook Mama's recipe, she adds MSG. We did not add MSG because I didn't want to, so there's also a couple differences there. So for the things that we need to chop, we have a yellow onion, green onions, and then I'm gonna do a separate batch that has some jalapenos for whoever likes spicy. So let's chat. It's been a while since we've talked. So I've had my YouTube channel for maybe like over 5 years. I think I've been vlogging for quite some time. And to be honest, I didn't do it to get famous or anything on YouTube. I mainly did it because when I was beginning to kind of travel, I had all this vlog footage on my phone and on my camera that I never really did anything with. So I was like, you know what? We need to like learn to edit and make a video out of this so that we can kind of watch it back. And so that was the reason why I did it, just so we can have kind of like these memories of our vacations. And then it just became a thing. I was like vlogging our weekend hangs with the family and whatnot. And now we literally watch it like a TV series. I cannot concentrate on cutting my green onions at the same time. It's honestly been so cool to have, you know, my YouTube channel. But as I've kind of had it for a while, now I'm just like, you know what? Like, I need to put more effort into this channel. What would happen if we did try to get monetized? You know, is it possible for a normal person to get monetized? Like, who knows? I think it'd be really cool to find out. So this year, I am going to be putting in way more effort into my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already noticed, I changed up my channel art, so go check that out. I changed like the top banner, I redesigned that. And then if you haven't noticed also, I changed my intro video. Before it was just my logo on black, and now it's my logo against new music, and it has like a little mini recap to show you what's gonna happen in the vlog. Literally worked on that till 2 a.m. in the morning. So in terms of like the goals of my YouTube channel, I think I want to try to get monetized. Let's do it, people. It's truly wild how YouTube has changed the lives of many people, and for me, I still want to continue to make YouTube videos with the sheer purpose of sharing my life, but also, you know, if we can make some money on the side and that also expand the fruitfulness of my life and my family's life, that would just be great. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, they have like this earnings section in your YouTube studio, YouTube, you know, channel area that tells you all about kind of what you need to become a YouTube partner. And it says like to start your journey, like this is like the basic, and then it goes into like all the other things that you need to get monetized. The first step is I need to get 500 subscribers. I'm at 317. Hi, all 317 of you guys. Thank you for following me. We're halfway there, which is awesome. So that seems like, okay, doable. If you don't already follow me, please follow me so we can get monetized together. And then it says you need to upload 3 videos within 90 days, which I pass that all the time. And then the next criteria, which is a little bit harder, is add one of the following. In 365 days, you need at least 3,000 watch hours, public watch hours, or you need 3 million short views. Currently, I only have 804 watch hours, and I only have 459 watch hours. That's out of 3 million that I need in shorts. After that, you have to get to 1,000 followers, and then you have to get to 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts. But we're not even looking at that. We're just gonna focus on the first, starting your journey. So yes, those are the goals that we have set in place for ourselves. This is Leon.
Yeah,
I haven't already met Leon. He's my nephew. He's 19 years old.
Oh, 18.
He's 18 years old.
I'm starting
You can take my green onions if you want it.
Yeah, thank you.
Look at my eyes. They're watering from cutting the onions. Next, you have to make the seasoning. That is 1 part black pepper, 1 part salt, and 2 parts sugar. 3 spoons of black pepper means 3 spoons of salt, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a big salt person. And then 2 parts sugar, so that's 6 spoons of sugar. We have no more sugar. So 6 spoons. I think we'll be able to make 6 spoons. That is all mixed up. It's time to start frying these bad boys up. First, we have to put flour in. We're gonna take this bowl, take our flour. You can also put it in like a Ziploc bag to shake it up, but I'm a little lazy at the moment. Put chicken wings in. 50 pieces.
50, 70 pieces.
Just repeat that same step until we're all done. Angelina just got here. Oh. Hi! It's also Paul's birthday today as well.
Happy birthday!
My mom is currently frying outside. We have to fry 50 pieces. It's so sunny. The most important thing is to double fry. So this is the first fry here, and then you have to fry it again. And then once she's done frying it, we'll cook it with all the onions and stuff. It's dark. Angelina. Okay, I also forgot to cut the garlic, so I just took the outside of the garlic out. This is just 1 clove, and I'm gonna chop it up for us. My mom has double fried the chicken, and it's time to cook. Oh, Auntie Han, say hi to the vlog. First, we have our pan. We're gonna put olive oil on the bottom. Just a little bit on the bottom. Next, we're gonna put the onions in. You cook with your heart. I'm actually just cooking a batch real quick so Fan can try it. Some garlic. And then you just saute this for a little bit. And then you put the chicken wings in. Chicken wings.
I'm not going to be able to be in the vlog now.
Actually, I'm just gonna pour it in. The salt and pepper mix. And you just put it all over on top. Good. Let's fold it. Oh, Auntie Hannah's giving me tools. We're using a spatula. Spatula? And then that's it. You don't need to add this, but I do. It's sesame seeds. Okay.
It's actually sweet. It's not like, there's a good amount of salt, but it like tastes like there's some sugar or something in it. It's pretty sweet.
But not too sweet, right?
Not too sweet. Also, what I like about this fries that sometimes at the restaurants, the fries a little like too hard. And so this is like a perfect crisp. It doesn't like hurt your mouth or anything.
Yeah, a little bit more salt. There is a hint, yeah, sweetness. I put a jalapeno on top. Ooh, that's guy. That's guy. The jalapeno. You guys said it's not supposed to be guy. That's guy. It's guy, but I like spicy.
Oh, the carol's on?
It's good. It is a little sweet. I like it. Okay, we're all done. It looks bomb. Look at that. Looks good. We're gonna bring it to the party, and hopefully everyone else likes it. This is my sister. Happy 40th birthday.
Thank you.
How do you feel being 40?
I feel old.
Do you have any advice for us youngins
Yes.
going to turn 40 soon?
Yes. Don't stress about anything.
Don't stress about anything. You heard it here, guys. You heard it here. Meanwhile, her husband's over there stress cooking everything. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo! Go Lala!
Wait, not too hard, not
Look,
too
it's
hard.
happening over there.
Oh, is it raining, guys?
No, that's Vincent. That's Vincent.